Abdu. Presenting our national officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Patrick Alan Castillo. Second referee, Ms. Joy De Imus. Let's welcome our starting lineup from our defending champions, our Greenland Slashers. Let's begin with our team captains with jersey number 2, Alyssa. At number 1, Hi, Angela Negrito.